Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Beats Solo Tree only one side not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be looking for a solution that you could try to solve this issue here. So in this case, you've noticed that the right side of your Beats headphones isn't actually producing any sound, while the left side works fine. So this happened without any physical damage. Now, first thing you want to do here is you want to prepare the actual fix. So get a piece of aluminum foil or paper and fold it into a small flat shape. Now, even though your headphones are wireless, they have a cable option. Plug the folded aluminum foil into the headphone jack. Now, put on the headphones and play some audio. Gently adjust the aluminum foil in the jack to find a position where you can hear sound from both sides. Be careful not to push too hard as it might turn off the headphones. And once you find the right position, you can tape the aluminum foil in place if needed. This makeshift fix should help you keep your headphones working. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.